In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download Google Meet on your Android phone. So this is the Google Meet app. If you want to get this app onto your Android phone, very straightforward and simple. All you need to do is go to the Google Play Store, where it's located on your phone. Tap on the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, I believe you can just type Meet. And then Google Meet will pop up. You can tap on Google Meet. And now it says for me, uninstall and open. But if you haven't installed the app already, it's going to say download. Then all you need to do is tap on the download button and make sure you're on a Wi-Fi connection. When you're downloading the app, it will just take a moment to download. Once the download is finished, it's automatically going to install onto your phone. And then that download button is going to go and say open, like it is on my phone right now. Then all you would need to do once it says open is you can open it up and then begin using Google Meet. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.